I'm going to show you where to add your SEO page titles and SEO page descriptions to your Squarespace website. So if you follow our content strategy guide that's in our video library and resource hub, you'll know and learn the importance of good SEO on your website pages. Squarespace will automatically pull SEO from the content, but it's much better to kind of go in and write exactly what you want using the keywords, location, and everything you can learn in our strategy guides linked on our video library page. So what you'll do is log into your Squarespace platform and navigate over to the Pages section. Each page is going to have its own place to add the SEO. The home page is where you'll start, and the home page is a little different because it's the main page. So if you navigate to the settings icon here and go to SEO, you can edit your full website SEO settings here. And you can see all of their checklists. They have a lot of AI tools that they're introducing here to help. And you can add your title format, and it will walk you through this, and your site description. And we have, like I said, our guides that will walk you through how to write your site description. Then what you'll want to do is navigate over to each page that's not the home page, click the gear icon, and go to SEO. Here is where you can add your customized SEO title if you'd like, and your customized SEO description for this page. You can also hide the page from search results if you'd like. That could be for, things that you only want to send to clients or things that you just don't want out there on the web. That's not an easy way to do that. So once you add a description testing, you'll be able to click save, and you will have your SEO, custom SEO added to each page. Each page is going to have the same, so you can do that. The only exception, like I said, is the home page and the blog. The blog will have the SEO title typically always defaults to blog 2. I don't know why, but so you can change that there, add your description here. You can then, once you have specific blog post, you can do the same thing per post. And yeah, we recommend adding specific SEO to each page. This is taking a minute to load, but it's the same thing once the posts load. Let's see if I can refresh here. Here we go. And you can click the little dots, settings here for each post, and SEO, and the same thing. So that's an easy way to add custom SEO and get your site ranking on Google and getting it showing up in search results.